If you've ever opened Instagram for just a few minutes and somehow ended up scrolling for hours, this hidden feature can help you take back control of your time. Open Instagram and tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three lines in the top right to open Settings and Activity. Scroll down and tap Time Management, then select Daily Limit. Here, you can choose how much time you want to spend on Instagram each day. You can set it to 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, 1 hour, or even 2 hours. Pick the amount of time that works best for you. From now on, Instagram will remind you when you're getting close to your daily limit, and it'll send another reminder once you've reached it. If you still need to use Instagram that day, just tap More Options on the reminder. You can choose to be reminded again in 5 minutes, remind yourself again in 15 minutes, or simply ignore the limit for the rest of the day. This is a simple feature, but it can make a huge difference. Social media is great for staying connected, learning new things, and being entertained, but it's also incredibly easy to lose track of time. Setting a daily limit helps you be more intentional with how you use Instagram, so you can spend more time on the things that matter most. If you found this tip helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone who spends a little too much time on Instagram, and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks.